Guys, it's Rebecca
and Sadie,
and today we are doing the next installment of our Harry Potter unit by making Mrs. Weasley's homemade fudge that she serves at Christmas time. So let's try it.
Yes.
Okay, let's go through our ingredients. We need chocolate chips,
Check.
marshmallow cream,
Check.
butter,
Check.
sugar,
Powdered sugar. Check.
evaporated milk,
Check.
vanilla extract.
Check.
All right, good. Let's get started. So first thing we need to do is put the chocolate chips, the butter, and the marshmallow cream in a bowl. Okay, hon, we need 6 ounces of evaporated milk and 2 1/4 cups of sugar, and we're going to put it in the saucepan.
Sounds good.
And then 2 1/4 cup sugar. I'll get the sugar thingy. Okay, so we're going to wait for it to boil, and once it does, you have to stir it non-stop for 6 minutes.
This is like sweetened condensed milk almost. Like the look.
It does look like condensed milk. Okay, now that it's boiling, hun, 6 minutes non-stop stirring. Let me know if your arm gets tired. I'll help you.
Okay.
It's so fluffy. All right, honey, we have to do the next step quick, okay?
Okay.
So in just a sec, I'm going to pour in our bowl of other stuff. The butter, the marshmallow, and the chocolate chips. And we stir it just enough for it to all be melted and cohesive, and then we pour it in the pan that it's going to set up in, okay?
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, here we go. I'm adding it in.
Why do I feel like it's gonna overflow?
I don't know. Here, take this spoon. It's bigger.
Okay.
And stir, and I'll add the vanilla in. Oh, it looks good. Here's our vanilla.
This looks like fondue, not gonna lie.
It does. It's supposed to set up, though, so we'll see. Here's hoping we did it right. Okay, honey, I'll carry it over, and then you can scrape it in, okay?
Okay.
Into our pan. Maybe I should move it away from the corner. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so shiny.
I know.
I hope it sets up like it's supposed to. We'll find out. Want to lick the spoon? See how it is.
It's already like solid.
Is it good?
Yeah, I was chewing gum and it just went down my throat.
All right, guys, give it a try. How is it? Good?
Yeah, it was like chocolate frosting.
Oh, yum.
Really good. It's smooth, it's creamy, it's chocolatey. It's everything anyone could ever ask out of a chunk of fudge.
All right.
Melts in your mouth.
2 thumbs up.
Good job, everybody.
Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Bye.